Shrang. His name is Buffy. He's a sweet boy. He's a sweet boy! And then you guys say, why don't I go out? Why would I go out when this baby is with me at home? Where are you going? Where are you going? Okay, let's go to the comments. Skincare. Oof, that's a long one. No, it's not my daughter, it's my son. This is my son. This is my little son, my little Shang. Go. So I'm actually allergic to... Buffy, everyone's saying hi. Everyone's saying hi to you, my Shang. Gee, bhai, dekh liya Squid... Okay, so I actually watched Squid Games in the first 2 hours that it came out. Our boy Ali was done wrong. He was done mad wrong. Squid Games was phenomenal. I want my tears back from Chacha. Chacha ne jitna rulaya hai na hame Squid Game mein. When he died, literally my manager was sitting next to me and I was crying so much. He was like, fikr mat karo, Netflix ne bahut paise diye honge Chacha ko. And I was like, do you promise? Do you promise? What's been on my watch list? Well, I've been watching it. Okay, so I watched a brand new Cherry Flavor, which was really good. I've been watching 3%. I'm on the second season. I just started the second season because first season I started watching when I was in Turkey. Please don't say anything. Please don't say anything, Nuri. Please, I beg of you. I'm already so embarrassed.
They did not know on her.
What's my favorite zodiac sign? Aquarius! Aquarius, of course. My own zodiac is my favorite. Mashal, you seem to be attracting so many Virgos. Can you share your ascendant sign? My ascendant is also Aquarius, actually, and my moon sign is Leo. So, just like a very intense fire. Who's my favorite singer? Lana Del Rey. I think once upon a time she used to be my favorite. Aajkal, I don't think there's any one person as such.
Don't bite me, don't bite me, don't bite me.
What's my favorite drama serial? Parizad. For sure. Not only because I'm in it, because I feel like all of us girls are barely in it. It's mostly all Ahmed. But what a story. What a story. Okay. Favorite actors? Matthew McConaughey, Joaquin Phoenix. Ooh, my moon sign is Aquarius. Wow, so you must stay in a constant like battle with yourself because your moon sign is Aquarius and your sun sign is Virgo. Sorry, so someone said that I attract Virgos and I've been attracting Virgos and I swear to God in the past month alone, everyone do you mind?
I'm talking to Buffy.
Everyone I work with, people that become my new friends, they're all Virgos and I'm like, ah! Run!
What?
Are you even watching Kissa Mehvaano Ka right now? I'm waiting for that to get uploaded. No. My star sign is not Leo. My moon sign is Leo. My sun sign is Aquarius. Buffy is also an Aquarius, actually. But then why are you so needy? Buffy! My cat just farted. It's disgusting. He has like a problem. Is saying that they love all zodiac signs. I'm not very fond of Pisces. I find them very emotional. Virgos, though, I think are very matlabi. How was my experience? Okay, I don't want to answer that question. इतने पुराने projects की बातें हैं. Someone saying glutathione, you mean the injections that destroy your liver and it will dissolve overnight? No thanks. Buffy, don't do that. Don't do that, darling. Don't do that. Buffy, idhar aao. You can't sit there. Okay, that's fine. No, I didn't say Virgos are not loyal. I said they're matlabi. I think Virgos, half and half. I've met some very loyal Virgos. Like some of my very close friends are Virgos and they're very loyal to me as a person. But then there's some Virgos jo aapko bech ke kha jayenge. So, Sagittarius is my favorite sign after Aquarius. They are actually the best match in business, in friendships, and in lovers for Aquarius. Hello? Okay. Right. I feel like every few months people bring a new thing up. Oh, you've got this filler, you got that filler, you got this surgery. Guys, you realize I'm 24. I will keep growing into my face. Scorpio is my best friend is a Scorpio. What are you doing? My best friend is a Scorpio. Childhood best friend, लेकिन बहुत सख्त किस्म के emotional लोग होते हैं, Scorpios. And they're very like codependent. Is this my cat? This is one of my fat cats. Yes. Gemini, खतरनाक किस्म की औरतें हैं Gemini. Gemini men I think I get along with very well. लेकिन Gemini women are dangerous. I think they're very unhinged, psychotic people. The women, at least. The men are very tactical. They're very sly. They're cunning. And I think if you have a Gemini on your side, then like you're protected. Like it's having like a bodyguard. But they can at any point like turn and like be like. I hope no one comes into my room right now. It's gonna be so embarrassing. Capricorn? Oh, Capricorns are extremely fake people. I feel like when they don't like someone, instead of just being honest to their face, they're gonna be like, "Hi, how are you?" And then you'll turn around and they'll be like, you know what I mean? I feel like that's what Capricorns are like. Yeah, I'm live, be careful.
Oh.
Stop. Did you get me something to eat?
Huh?
Did you get me something to eat?
Yeah, I got you cookies. Oh, wait, live taste test. Wait, let me take my mask
Okay.
off.
Come.
I got the other one from Mama.
Okay.
Hello, guys.
Hey guys, and my sister. Did you make these?
Yeah, we say हाँ Manal and I made them. Try the other part. Maybe you got a chocolate chunk in it.
They're so warm.
Yeah, we just made them.
With who?
Siham, Manal, and I.
Shamshandir Smile saying Armina.
Hello.
Buffy was like all up in the camera. What about Leos? I like Leos, personally. At least they're honest. They're assholes, but they're honest. My moon sign is Leo, so.
In the car, I wasn't doing the cookie to Mama because she picked me up early. So she was like, "Tum amanat mujhse chhin rahi ho." Like it's amanat hai because se mom gave it, so tum chhin rahi ho. She said, "मुझे बहुत भूख लगी है, दे दो." to give her that.
No, no. There's so many calories.
But it was good though, right?
My Diet Coke is kept in the lounge. Can you get it for me?
Yeah.
Thanks. Someone's asking a question that's none of their business. Wearing shirt of Imran Khan? No. This is Rocky Balboa. That's Rocky. Sorry guys, my sister just got back. She was out all day. Came and gave me a cookie. Okay, so Mashal EP just told me what Aquarius is in French. There ain't no way in hell I can pronounce that shit. Something about Cancerians, the most psychotic in the entire zodiac, I think, is Aquarius. Aquarius, mard, aurtein, sab just run. They just come into your life to ruin it. Unhinged, insane, no stability, just no direction. They just want to like. Thanks. Oh, it got garam. क्या हुआ?
Such a fat ass.
Why am I not talking about Libra? Sorry, I didn't see any questions about Libra. I like Libra, except the chicks. There was one Libra chick I knew. She tried to screw me over. I ended up screwing her over right back. Because everyone told me, because they were my friends, and they warned me that she was doing this. And we never heard from her again. So yeah. Stop. It's embarrassing. Taurus, stubborn, the bull. Thoughts about Leo?
Which Wi-Fi are you using?
I'm on 4G.
Oh. Is it still not working?
Neither of the Wi-Fi's are working.
Shit.
Someone came and cut the Wi-Fi की तार.
हमारे साथ ही होता है ये.
Do I have a pet? Yes, this is my pet. I would touch this shrine, but he's covered in his own spit. What's my star? I'm an Aquarius. What about Aquarius? We elite. Fun fact, actually the most rare star sign in the entire zodiac is Aquarius. Only 6% of the population is Aquarian. And
I'm reading the comments.
and Scorpio is the most common in the zodiac at a whopping 12%.
I'm reading it. It's too. My eyesight is bad.
Can we tell you something about College Gate?
What's
I
College
don't
Gate?
want to get sued for the
What's
NDA
that?
I've signed. It's a drama. It's coming out.
Why are they called College Gate?
It's about a college.
Why Gate? Oh, people are
Please अपनी sister को दिखा दें. Sister?
Hello.
My sister's a Sagittarius and I'm an Aquarius, so
For the longest time, they thought that I was a Scorpio, but Snapchat
which made no sense.
and Snapchat finally said that I was a Sagittarius.
Which
so-
makes a lot of sense because me and my Scorpio best friend just can't stand each other basically because she's an imbecile. But this one and I get along very well, and she's a Sagittarius. Someone's saying my birthday is 31st Jan. What's my star? You're an Aquarius. Congratulations. Woo! Farizad mein nazar nahi aa rahi hai aajkal aap. Yeah, I exited Farizad. So
Oh, you're done?
Farewell. Are we to say goodbye? Can I say a word for my haters? What should I say to my haters?
I'm really bored.
Get help. I just feel like anyone who hates, like, probably so unhappy on the inside. So, love and light. I hope you heal, and I hope you stop trying to traumatize other people. Did you steal my frutella?
It's eating one. Oh.
What's my view on marriage? I don't have one because I don't think about marriage. Hi, Anmol. How you doing, darling? I haven't seen Anmol since the shoot of Khwab Nagar. I hope you're well, sweetie. No. Cancerian plus Sagittarius are a powerhouse? No. Cancerians and Sagittarians will never be happy together, ever. It's a fire sign and a water sign. It's like lots of smoke. Okay, guys, before my sisters say something that should not be on live,